MESA stands for Mathematics, Engineering, Science Achievement Program. And so this program specifically is to help underrepresented students in the STEM fields. Our MESA program offers services such as having industry professionals in the STEM fields come in and talk to our students. And we also offer academic excellence workshops to prepare our students to transfer to a four-year university and also prepare them to have successful STEM careers.
MESA functions as an all-encompassing support system for STEM students, but the best thing about MESA is the community and the support system that we provide for each other. Growing up, I never really had a support system at home. Neither of my parents graduated high school or attended college, so coming into MESA was really a big breath of fresh air because for the first time in my life, I felt like I had a large community of people that were actively involved in my academic journey.
It just honestly helped me be a better person. It's helped me come out of my comfort zone academically and in my own personal life. It's really taught me importance of friendships, study groups. You can come here and it's just learning that everybody's at different pace, everyone's at different ages, but we're just here for each other. We lead each other, we guide each other, we support each other, we make each other laugh. I really just kind of learned the foundation of who I am now by being at MESA.
After being in MESA and having all this experience, I now realize that I can do well in STEM, that I know for sure that I can get my bio degree and even reach for a PhD. And now just meeting the students here, I'm also pushing them to do well because if I learn that I can do it, I think everyone can. And I think that's why it's so important to have MESA because you never know what you can achieve unless you try it.
The feeling of having a community that is actively involved in your day-to-day academic life, it's the best feeling, the best support that I could ever ask for. Through MESA, I know that success is possible, and what it means for me in my career is that the sky is the limit. I can accomplish my dreams, and whatever I set my mind to, I know that I can accomplish it.